It's January. I'm clearly doing dry January. Today, we're talking about 2022 trends. We're back. The number one thing we're gonna see in 2022 is color, and that's in shades of blue and green. My good friends, Sherwin Williams, Benjamin Moore, and I all agree that the number one color is avocado green. That being said, dark colors like emerald and light colors like sage will be very popular. In fact, emerald was the number one color chosen by designers, not regular people, based off a poll I found I like the results of. In the blue category, cobalt was actually voted the most popular until it sadly closed 2 years ago. Navy had the most dramatic decline of consumer interest, which is super unfortunate because I literally put it all over my house this year. I talked about Ratan Cane last year, but they're still having a moment. Basically, natural elegance is in style, or light woods are basically still in. Because the planet is dying, eco and energy efficient are super hot buzzwords. So if you can figure out a way to get those into your listing, your home will actually sell 2 days faster. And why shouldn't we profit off the destruction of the earth? Due to variance, we've forever changed our behavior to working from home 1 to 2 days a week. Another term we're gonna hear a lot in 2022, and please don't hate me for saying this, is the Cloffice, which is basically the combination of a closet and an office. This is all about taking a small, previously underutilized space and making it a semi-permanent workspace. Lastly, make sure everything you buy this year is comfortable. This has been Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.